Hey, good looking. You want to sit there and see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on into my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. Now, I'm going to answer one of the most questions that I get asked. Okay, we canned up our German potato salad. How do you use it after you can it? Well, it's really simple. You take this little can, we're going to open it up. I have some bacon grease, we're going to melt that. I have some dried chopped onion, we're going to add some of that. And usually I fry up my own bacon, but bacon prices are extreme these days. And I have a package of the real bacon from Oscar Mayer here that's all crumpled up, which is fine because that's how we use it inside of our German potato salad, and that's how we're going to be making our German potato salad up. So let me open up my jar of potato salad. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to melt up the bacon grease, and we'll be right back. I have my bacon grease all melted. Now, I just want to sit there and say some of the new canning lids that I have. Boy, are they tough to open, especially if you have arthritis in your hands. So, let's go ahead, dump all this goodness into our bowl here. Make sure you get all that goodness out of your jar. Now, to this mixture, I'm going to add some more of my chopped onion. Put that in. I'm going to grab some of the real bacon bits and pieces, and I want to show you. Look, they're good size. So just go ahead, mix them all in. Now, I'm just going to sit there and try to get that onion all down in the juices. Now, you're going to have to thicken up the juice that comes with the potato salad. So, I'm going to get my cornstarch out. We're going to make a slurry so we can thicken all this up. Now, I just put a tad bit of that juice that's mixed up with the bacon grease down inside of the jar that the canned German potato salad was in. Now, I'm just going to add just a little bit of the cornstarch to make a slurry, and it's going to be handed off to Chef Mike, and he's just going to thicken up the sauce a little bit. We're going to bring it back over here and add it back to our German potato salad. I should have just left some in the jar, but I'm having one of them days with my asthma just going off the charts, so I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna hand this over to Chef Mike. Now, I really worked long and hard in perfecting this recipe. I can't resist. It is that good. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, I gotta fire my Chef Mike. He got it a little too thicker than what I like it, but we're going to make do of it. I mean, he knows this is his mother's recipe that I perfected to can up into jars because I kept telling him, you could buy it off of the store shelf, so why can't I can mine up? And I worked at it, and I worked at it, and I worked at it. It took me a while, but I finally came down with a recipe that was almost, and I do mean, it's really close to his mama's. Like I said, I'm gonna make do. Okay, that's looking better. Like I said, I could just open the jar and eat it that way. I'm gonna just add a little bit more bacon. I have a carnivore here as a husband, and his mama had 3 sons, and oh yeah, she put a lot of meat in hers. So I'm gonna do the same as what my beloved mother-in-law did. And I'm sure she's looking down, smiling as all heck, because I've done her recipe some justice. Like I said, it's a little too thick, but hey, it'll do. So here it is, all finally done up. Now, I could add some dried chopped chives to the top of this. You know, if you're going to be having a grill out, I would do that. But look at that. Oh, I'm going to give it a taste test before I let the big kahuna have a taste. Mm-hmm. Big kahuna.
Yes.
Mm.
Get away. It's superb, Bob.
Tell them how close it is to your mother's recipe.
It's right on.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I am so notorious for knocking this camera. But that's how you can make your very own German potato salad out of that canned version that I showed you all how to can up. It doesn't get any simpler to put together than that. Now, honey, how long would it have taken me if I'd done it the old-fashioned way like your mom?
I have no idea.
Would your mom be happy with
Yes.
this canning recipe I came about?
Hell yes. She'd love it.
I know she would. Rest in peace, Mama. We love ya. Now, if you really liked what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel out immensely, and I truly appreciate it. Now, if you're new to my family, welcome to the YouTube family. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy canning, but better yet, happy eating. Y'all come back now.